Welcome to Homes Decor Designs, where we delve into the art of creating refined living spaces. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Retaining wall landscaping refers to the intentional design and construction of rigid walls used to support soil laterally so that it can be retained at different levels on the two sides. Essentially, it is a marriage between engineering and aesthetics. These structures are designed to turn steep, unusable slopes into flat, functional land while preventing soil from sliding away. In the world of home decor and landscaping, it isn't just about the wall itself. It's about how you integrate that wall into your overall garden design using plants, lighting, and materials that complement your home's architecture. The benefits of installing a retaining wall go far beyond simple visual appeal. Primarily, these walls provide vital structural support by preventing soil erosion and protecting your home's foundation from the downward pressure of a slope. They are incredible tools for space management, as they allow homeowners to create tiers or terraces, effectively turning a steep hill into a series of flat garden beds or patio areas. Additionally, well-designed retaining walls improve drainage by controlling the flow of rainwater, reducing the risk of flooding or soggy patches in your lawn. From a financial perspective, a professionally landscaped retaining wall significantly boosts property value by increasing usable square footage and enhancing the overall curb appeal of the estate. Decorating a retaining wall requires a balance between the hard materials of the wall and the soft elements of nature. To make a wall look truly integrated, you should utilize spiller plants, flowers or vines that cascade over the edge of the wall to soften the sharp lines of the stone or concrete. Adding integrated lighting is another game changer. Recessed LED lights or spotlights at the base of the wall can create a dramatic wash of light that highlights the texture of the materials at night. You can also vary the heights and depths of your tiers to create a more dynamic, multi-dimensional look. Incorporating different textures such as mixing smooth pavers with rugged natural boulders adds visual interest and prevents the wall from looking like a flat, boring barrier. The best items for a successful retaining wall project involve a mix of high-quality construction materials and decorative accents. For the structure itself, interlocking concrete blocks are popular for their durability and ease of installation, while natural stacked stone offers a timeless, high-end organic look. When it comes to greenery, perennial shrubs like boxwoods provide year-round structure, while creeping phlox or lithidora offer beautiful seasonal color as they drape over the sides. Mulch and decorative river rocks are essential for the top of the wall to retain moisture and prevent weeds. Finally, don't forget functional finishing items like decorative caps for the top of the wall, which provide a polished surface for seating and high-quality drainage pipes hidden behind the wall to ensure its longevity. And to complete your inspiration and spark your creativity, here are the compilation of the top 10 best retaining wall landscaping ideas to inspire you for your next project. The modern concrete terrace. This design features a sleek, smooth-finished concrete wall that acts as a minimalist backdrop for a vibrant vegetable or herb garden. The contrast between the industrial gray of the concrete and the lush green of the lettuce and yellow flowers creates a sophisticated, contemporary vibe. It's perfect for homeowners who want a clean, architectural look that doubles as a functional growing space. 2. The grand sandstone staircase. This breathtaking design utilizes large, warm-toned sandstone blocks to create a tiered garden that frames a central staircase. The built-in lighting on each step ensures safety while casting a warm glow on the surrounding ivy and succulents. This is a masterclass in turning a steep front yard into a luxurious, welcoming entrance that feels like a private resort. 3. The natural alpine rockery. If you prefer an organic, rugged look, this design uses large, unrefined boulders interspersed with crushed gravel and hardy grasses. The stones are arranged to mimic a natural hillside, making it feel as though the landscape evolved that way on its own. It's an excellent low-maintenance option that provides incredible texture and a sense of wild beauty to the property. For the classic stacked stone slope, this idea uses a low-profile rustic stacked stone wall to define the edge of a lush, pine-mulched hill. By planting brightly colored flowering bushes like crepe myrtles and variegated shrubs, the wall becomes a subtle frame that highlights the beauty of the garden above. It's a timeless approach that works perfectly for traditional suburban homes. 5. The elegant curved gray block wall. Curves add a sense of movement and grace to a landscape. This design features a winding, tiered wall made of textured gray masonry blocks. The purple geraniums and vibrant green ferns planted within the tiers create a living wall effect. The use of wood chips on the lower level provides a clean, earthy contrast to the structured stonework. 6. The manicured estate wall. This design showcases how a retaining wall can be used to create perfectly circular garden beds around trees or along the foundation of a house. The dark gray blocks offer a sharp, clean line against a perfectly manicured green lawn. Filled with a mix of annuals like marigolds and hydrangeas, this setup creates a high-contrast, polished look that screams curb appeal. 7. The rustic woodland steps. Perfect for a backyard that borders a forest, this design uses weathered, flat stones to create wide, shallow steps and sturdy tiers. The mossy undertones and the surrounding tall pines make this retaining wall feel like a part of the forest floor. It's a heavy-duty solution that manages significant slopes while maintaining a cozy, cabin-like aesthetic. 8. The multi-tiered stone fortress. This functional powerhouse uses heavy-duty, tan-colored blocks to create multiple levels of planting space next to a driveway or garage. The sharp angles and varied heights break up the vertical mass of the house wall, while the blue spruce shrubs add a touch of cool color. This is an ideal solution for stabilizing land near structural foundations. 9. The formal tiered garden gallery. This massive undertaking features 4 distinct levels of planting, each separated by a uniform stone wall. By organizing plants by height and color, placing dark purple foliage on the bottom and bright yellow daylilies in the middle, this wall acts as a literal gallery for your botanical collection. It turns a massive hill into a structured piece of art. 10. The winding garden path tiers. This design combines curved retaining walls with a switchback staircase, creating a beautiful journey through the garden. The use of dark brown mulch against the light-colored stone makes the small green shrubs pop. This layout is perfect for large backyards where you want to encourage exploration and provide multiple viewpoints of your landscaping. Retaining wall landscaping is truly the unsung hero of outdoor design. As we've seen today, these structures do so much more than just hold back dirt. They provide the foundation for breathtaking gardens, functional living spaces, and increased property value. Whether you prefer the sleek lines of modern concrete or the rugged charm of natural boulders, there is a retaining wall style that can solve your yard's challenges while reflecting your personal taste. Thank you for joining us on Homes Decor Designs as we explored these incredible transformations. If you found these ideas inspiring, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more weekly home and garden inspiration. Which of the 10 designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing about your renovation projects. For a deeper dive into the materials used in today's video, check out the links in the description box. See you in the next video.